Okay, let's do some setting up. First of all, I want to go back to my level 1 maze so that I've got everything in the correct position. And let's start off with Mario. So when I click start, I want Mario to go to these two, the X and Y coordinates here. And the way I'm going to do it is by having what we call a start X and a start Y. The start position for X and the start position for Y. So I need two more variables. So, and I'm going to do it for this sprite only. So start X, a variable, and another variable, start Y, for this sprite only. And it's for this sprite only because the enemy is going to have a start X and a start Y, and the level end is also going to have a sort of start X, start Y. So I'm going to take those two ticks out of the boxes so that they don't appear in there. What I need to do when my game first starts, I need to set up these values. So if I get two of these sets and change it for start X and start Y, I can set it to these numbers. So the X value is minus 205 and the Y value is 144. Okay, and if I put those back into that, so that means when I click it for the first time and only time, it's going to set these variables up. And then instead of having these hard-coded, the numbers directly there, I'm going to put start X in there and start X in there and start X in there, because they were all the X values. Now I'm going to do the same with the Y. These three are all 144. So I'm going to have start Y in there. My mouse has stopped working. There we go. Start Y. Start Y. Start Y. Now this is really, really good because we are only setting the values in one place, but we're using them in several places. And if I run my game, it should make absolutely no difference to it whatsoever. So click the green flag. There we go. I can run my Mario around the maze. If I touch the maze, I go back to the beginning. Let's cheat and drag him down here, see if I can get past the monster. Up and go back to the beginning. So that works. So I've used variables now instead of hard-coded numbers. I only set them once and change in all the rest of my places. Now this is going to be a useful way of making my levels change and placing objects in different locations, and we'll start looking at that in the next video.